hope you guys are also having an amazing day, and I love you. And for some reason you can see me in the mirror. But I have this jacket, I have this shirt from Primark. This jacket is not from Primark, but I don't know where it's from. This skirt is from Primark, and then I have my special leggings that are actually for winter weathers, but yeah, it looks very sheer, but it's really not. And then I have my boots, and then here you can see the jacket clearly, and then I have a necklace, and then I have a ring, and then yeah, that's it.